Hey YouTubers, this is Andrea from Norm's channel. I just wanted to show you the wedding cake that I just did. This is it at the actual venue. The wedding's actually tomorrow, but I'm setting it up tonight for them. So it's the 40 cake for Phonethip and Charles. Charles is my husband's younger brother. He's finally getting married to his longtime partner Phonethip. Yeah, it's 40 cake with blue ribbons, which is her theme, with silver cashous and the quilting pattern there, and the lovely brooches and their letters in diamontes and the double hearts there. Anyway, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to check out for the tutorials coming soon, and the candy bar display. I've just filmed that and it looks fantastic. I didn't actually do that, but it looks so beautiful. I might actually look into trying to do them. Thanks again for watching, guys, and bye for now.